So I'm focused in there on the oar socket, or rather I should say that's what's left of it. This is off a 73 vintage Columbia fiberglass boat. It was given to me recently. So I improved upon it. I programmed the old CNC mill and made a couple replacements. These are aluminum because mostly I'm an aluminum shop. Although I was tempted to knock it out of something a little fancier. And you can probably tell that's a 21/64 diameter drill bit, or rather the hole. I cleverly left the oars with the oar locks off at my grandmother's, and I know that needs to be a 1/2 inch hole, but I will probably improve upon that, get a nice tight fit, get the exact drill diameter when I get the locks back. All right, well, there you go. That's part one. Next up, we're going to be doing some work on the spare tire.